Get WorkGear, managing staff roles and allocations. Staff roles are groups of people offered the same products. Allocations can limit how many products staff assigned to the role can order. Roles make it easier for your clients when ordering, as they only see the products specifically available to them. If you're supplying WorkGear to clients with different requirements, Get WorkGear will make you and your clients' lives much easier. Create as many roles as you need. Add categories and set your allocations. Add your products, then choose the size and colours available. The interface is simple and intuitive. Product allocations reset each year on a set date or periodically based on the employee's start date. Categories within each role allow you to set separate allocation limits to different groups of products. Quantity or price can be used to limit product allocations, so you can allocate 2 shirts or $140 worth of shirts. Use just one product across all your contracts with client-specific customization options. Our product customizations allow you to manage embroidery or print specifications for each client, all using a single product from the database. Get WorkGear, making your employee allocations easy.